bit. Ciao. Hi. Alright. Back in, here we go. Hopefully no security. I think we're good. Ah, fuck, there's people right here. Shit. Holy sh... Damn. God damn. All right, here we go. Got some revs incoming. God damn. This motherfucker sound good. Got some valves closed. Does this thing have a soft limit? Oh no, it doesn't. Okay, never mind. Oh, it's fucking warm in here. Damn, boy. 55 degrees outside and I'm freezing my ass off. Go fucking figure that. Alright. Alright, well, that was a cool little night. Randomly met the homie in the G87. I wish he ripped it at the end, but that's alright.